Karnataka cabinet to take up caste census report. Amid what appears to be a caste conundrum, the Karnataka cabinet will hold a special meeting to discuss the contentious socio-economic and education survey report, popularly known as caste census. According to official source, the cabinet is considering referring the report to a cabinet subcommittee or an expert committee for further examination, with Siddharth Maiya already indicating that the report will be debated in both houses of the state legislature. Sources said it may also be referred to a joint legislative committee. There is also the possibility of convening a special session of the legislature. The cabinet is likely to deliberate on the report recommendation to increase OBC reservation in the state from the current 32% to 51%. Sources said, adding that the demand for a fresh survey or recounting may also come up. Several communities, especially Karnataka's two dominant ones, Vokkaligas and Varsavya Lingvas, have voiced a strong objection to this survey, terming it unscientific. They have demanded that the report be rejected and a fresh survey be conducted. Objections have also been raised by various sections of society, including from within the ruling Congress party. However, not all voices are critical. Several leaders and organizations representing Dalits and OBC among others are in support of it and want the government to release it, pointing out that about Rs 160 crore of public funds has been spent on the exercise. Given the strong disapproval from the two politically influential communities, the report may turn out to be a political hot potato for the government, as it may set the stage for a confrontation with Dalits and OBCs among others, demanding its release and implementation. The survey findings are said to be at odds with the traditional perceptions of the caste composition in Karnataka, especially the numerical extent of Varsavya Lingvas and Vokkaligas, making it a politically sticky issue. Ministers from these communities are expected to voice their objection during the cabinet meeting, sources said. Both Varsavya Lingva and Vokkaligas and a few other communities have claimed that their subcastes have been divided among different categories of OBC, resulting in a decrease in the population. They have alleged that many households were left out from the survey or undercounting. Amid growing opposition to the survey report, the CM had on assured that his government would not let any injustice happen to anyone. After a long wait, the Karnataka State Commission of Backward Class report was placed before the cabinet for the first time on April 11th. The Siddharth Maiya-led government had in 2015 commissioned the survey in the state. The State Backward Class Commission, under its then chairperson H. Kantharjua, was charged with preparing caste census report. The survey work, which completed in 2018, was the end of Siddharth Maiya's first tenure as Chief Minister, and the report was finalized by his successor K. Jayaprakash Hegde in February 2024.